Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply send Sweatcoin to OKX. Okay guys, and you could have your Sweatcoin on a wallet like the Trust wallet or the MetaMask. So let's go with Trust wallet for today. You can simply search for your Sweatcoin. That's SWEAT Sweat. And if you've noticed, there are only two networks that are available on the Trust wallet. That's the ERC20 and the Aptos. Okay guys, and once you've clicked on the ERC20 Sweatcoin, you can simply click on this send option and you'll be met with the option to drop the wallet address, that's the receiving address, and the amount you want to send, which you can simply get when you open up your OKX mobile. So once you've opened up the OKX mobile app, in order to proceed with that deposit, what you're going to do is you're going to simply use the link, which is going to be in the description of this video, to simply register and verify your account and stand a chance to claim $10,000 worth of trading bonuses and welcome gifts alike. So once you've done that, once you've logged in with your verified account, your next step then will be to click on this deposit icon right here. And by clicking on the deposit icon, you're met with a list of cryptocurrency assets that are receivable. And in the search option, if you were to search for sweat, click on the sweat now, click on the ERC20, click on ERC20, and simply copy out your depositing address. That's the address code, or scan the QR code here. So you can simply scan this QR code on your other phone. Please make sure you look at the minimum deposit so you don't lose your tokens. So now simply copy this, minimize, open up your Trust wallet again, paste it in the space provided, and simply send $10 or $100 worth of the sweat. Click on continue and simply make that transfer. And once you've sent it, you'd find out that you'd receive a notification by simply clicking on this page icon here at the top right corner with the clock. You can look at the deposit history and you can find your Sweatcoin has been deposited here. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can send Sweatcoin to OKX, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.